In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a marketing plan with Visme. We'll walk through how to find a ready-made layout, tailor the essential sections to fit your business, and bring your plan to life with charts, icons, and visuals using the Assets panel. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional document that clearly communicates what you're trying to achieve and how you'll get there. Start by searching for Marketing Plan. Inside Visme, use the search bar to type Marketing Plan, and you'll see a gallery of professionally designed templates. This step helps you skip the blank page and jump straight into structure. Take a moment to explore the previews. Look for a style that suits your brand's personality, clean and minimal for corporate, bold and colorful for creative, or something industry-specific. Check the number of pages and the layout variety so you can cover everything you need without clutter. Remember, you can change colors, fonts, and imagery later, so focus on the structure and flow you like best. Next, select the template you want. Open it and scan through the sections to understand how the story unfolds from introduction to execution. If you see slides or pages you won't need, you can delete them later, and you can duplicate pages for repeatable sections like campaigns or channels. Choosing the right base will save you editing time. Now edit the core sections: goals, target market, strategy, and budget. In goals, be specific and measurable so it's clear what success looks like. Add timelines and key performance indicators to keep everyone aligned. In target market, define who you're speaking to with concise descriptions, demographics, interests, and pain points, so your messaging and channel choices make sense. In strategy, outline the channels you'll use, why they fit your audience, the key messages, and a simple timeline or campaign cadence. Keep it clear and actionable. For budget, break costs into categories like media spend, creative production, tools, and personnel. If helpful, show ranges or monthly allocations to highlight priorities and trade-offs. Finally, add charts, icons, and visuals from the Assets panel. Use charts for data like market size, channel performance, or budget distribution. Choose a chart type that matches the story: bar charts for comparisons, line charts for trends, and pie or donut charts for proportions. Pull in icons to signal sections and make scanning easier, and add photos or illustrations that reflect your brand and audience. Keep visual consistency by matching colors to your template palette, labeling data clearly, and leaving enough white space so